Hello to all my friends out there. So I want to enjoy my beautiful candle that I got for my birthday from Misha. Most likely Misha bought it, and Mikey. I really, really love it. I've been kind of looking around for another flower. You know, my flower can't last forever. It sure is pretty. So, okay, I bought this jasmine tea at 99 cents only. Just a word, I wrap all my tea up so it doesn't get stale. This is a really good brand of tea. 25 bags for $1, so 4 cents each. That's a good deal. I should take the... So I want to enjoy life, but I don't want to kill myself. I just want, you know, to have a little food tonight. With this kind of tea, I like cream and sugar. I like it sweet, really sweet. If I get fat, well, I'll just have to walk more. The walking really does the trick, though. I thought I could go back to work and discontinue the walking. No, that is not going to work. At my age, I'm not metabolizing the calories fast enough. So, okay, I baked some tater tots. I bought these at Dollar Tree. And they baked a little faster than my hot dogs. And then I have some hot dogs that I wrapped in bacon. Ow. And then I bought myself, if I like these, I will pile a bunch of these in my freezer. Owie. Now, how can I get it over here? Let's see what happened. You know the lard gives the French fries a really good, ooh, yummy. Look how good my burrito turned out. So, if you don't have much money and you do have ketchup, you know, I heard, I don't know if it's true, I heard that in some facilities, that would be like nursing home or residential care homes, they count ketchup as a vegetable. I also heard they give you a lot of rice and beans. I wouldn't be surprised, you guys. I wouldn't be surprised if they get their food at the food bank. I really wouldn't. And then I have some, I used to do the hair of the residents. And they were like kids. They would tell me everything. And I would go, what? Are you kidding? But since before that they were living on the street, they were just grateful. But still, you know. And then I bought this dip at, I think I bought this at Dollar Tree. I bought 2 of them. Just for nights like tonight. You know, if you get, if you can mix a little, I don't want to call this low quality food, but it's not expensive food. If you can mix a little of this, like these burritos, these hot dogs, and these tater tots, these are good. It's been a long day, you guys. Now, let me try this. Wow, look at all the cheese. I think it's well worth $1. Those are good if you're going to bake anyway. What it's like a frozen dinner. And then I bought this candy. I had never tried it. I really like it. But that's it for the candy today. Of all the cookies, the 99-cent cookies, I like these the best at Dollar Tree. Let's see. A serving size is 3 cookies. So what I'm trying to do is say, okay, you can have a serving size of cookies. I think that's one thing that causes some of us to get fat is we're eating more than we're supposed to, you know? Let's see if I can get my food in the photo. So, okay, you guys, pile your freezer up with some burritos, with some hot dogs, with some bacon, with some tater tots, with some French fries, with some sweet potato French fries, and some cookies. Get some cookies and get some shelf-stable milk and get some tea. Okay, you guys, I'll see you tomorrow.